What's up, guys? Here's the DIABLOSPORT INTUNE i3 handheld tuner for the Corvette. Comes in this nice little box here. There's the i3 DIABLOSPORT handheld tuner. You can see it right there. Okay, comes in that little box. Has a little sticker decal in case you want to put one on the car. This little sticker here, I guess, that shows you some important information. And then comes with a USB type cable in case you want to plug in for updates, I guess, or to get stuff off the computer if you're getting maybe a mail tune or something like that. Also comes with this instruction manual. That's pretty good information as far as telling you, what comes in the package and getting started versus, Chrysler, Ford, GM on what to do as far as that goes. And then on the back it's got a bunch of other information on what the tuner can do as far as tuning your vehicle. You can do an easy tune, advanced tune, modify parameters, load custom tunes, restore your stock tune. It can check or clear trouble codes, can data log, live streaming with data viewer. You can register it so you have all the latest updates, contact information, etc., etc. Just going over that. Here is the actual unit itself. Okay, it's pretty small, as you can see in the palm of my hand. It's like one of the first iPhones, almost literally, like the first gen ones, but it's pretty small. Plugs into the OBD2 port there. So there's the size, kind of showing you how big it is, but that's pretty much what comes in the package like that. Oh, also, link will be in the description below on where I bought this. I got it straight from DIABLOSPORT, and that will also be in the description in case y'all are interested and want to buy one just like it. So let's go ahead, take it to the car, and go ahead and start tuning. Oh, yeah! The beast. Nah, I'm playing, I wish. Alright, guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to be testing this DIABLOSPORT tuner today. Trying to tune out the AFM, the active fuel management, try to see if we can get that off. That way we can stop going from 4-cylinder to V8 and hearing that horrible noise. Alright, but let's go ahead, check. Okay, so let me see what we're doing here. Okay, guys, there's the OBD2 port right there. Not focusing. Diablo tune with speed limiter removed. Install this tune. Yes. Apply selected tune with tire size, gear ratio, and speed limiter as selected. Yes. ECM writing tune, Diablo tune. Please turn ignition off. Do not start the engine.
Just turn it on.
Make sure that screen went black.
Sorry, it looks like it started going back before you.
Huh?
Looks like it started going back before you hit the button.
So now it says turn ignition on.
Do not start engine. So hit it again.
And then hit continue.
Yeah.
ECM writing tune. Exporting file. Tuning complete. You may unplug the tool and enjoy driving your vehicle or tap continue to reboot. Please wait while the tool reboots. Oh, black screen. Now it's going back. So, I guess tune vehicle. Please ensure the keys in the room position, but do not start the engine. I guess that's when I do that, right? Or that. Maybe you have to go. Oh, modify parameters. There it is right there. Yeah, there it is right there. Oh, shoot. I can't grip it. So, ECM right there. DOD, AFM off. Turn that song off. Set to off. There it is. Back out. And we don't want to mess with any of that, everything else. So that's back. Back. Apply tune. Thank God.
How long did it do that? Or how often does it do that?
All the time. I mean, literally, you could just be driving like any mile an hour and it will just, you can hear it. You can hear it switching and it sounds terrible. It sounds like there's an exhaust leak. Remember, that's what I told you. It sounds like that ticking or that rattling sound where we thought it was that one thing.
Snag. I'm a snag.
5 years ago.
Damn, that was a long time. Let's see. So please turn ignition off. Do not start the engine. Is it? See, the screen's off. I can't tell. Is that off?
You can do this one.
I mean, please turn ignition on. I don't know, because I feel like that's not. Hold on, let's see. I guess it's working. I mean, that light, I can see the light is turning on. Tuning complete. You may unplug the tool and enjoy driving your vehicle. Tap continue to reboot. Well, guys, I guess that's it. You saw in the video, that's how you do the active fuel management. Alright guys, well, hope you enjoyed seeing the video about the Intune tuner with the DIABLOSPORT. Just wanted to make a quick video just showing, me tuning it. Maybe some more will come in the process of me with different tunes, but just want to make a quick video just showing you my new addition for it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if y'all do. Otherwise, y'all have an awesome day. Peace.